Hi everyone, welcome back to new video. So guys, in this video I will tell you one very good opportunity coming from ordinary school for the role of data science guys, and many of you are knowing that the demand of data science day by day increasing and there are multiple of job opening in their career platform. So in this video guys I will tell you mates platform. So in this video guys I will tell you one best platform to learn this skill along with placement assistant guys. But before that, let's calculate a salary how much a data science engineer are getting. Okay, so let me redirect to you in a calculator so you can see know your earning potential in data science. So just click on get started and enter your first name. So after filling your first name, just click next and help us with your educational and professional details. So next, and your higher qualification and education is, so I'm selecting btech CSIT. Okay, so select yours. Okay, so and after that next, and year of graduation, so I'm selecting 2023 batches. Okay, and next, and total work experience, so if a fresher then select none and next. And how would you rate your knowledge in static, so I'm just selecting basic. Okay, and after that next. And how would you rate your knowledge in programming, so I'm here also selecting basic one only. Okay, and again next. And are you trained currently training in data science, so no, so then select no and next. And your preferred work location, so I'm selecting Bangalore. Okay, so and after that next. We are almost at, may we have your email id, so fill your email id, so let me select any email id and next. And last one, may we have your phone number, so fill your phone number, so let me fill any. So after filling your phone number, just click on submit. And here you can see your salary in between 6 to 7 LPA, although I have selected only basic knowledge. Okay, so guys, if you have the only basic knowledge, so you can easily earn 6 to 7 LPA in the field of data science. So now let me tell you about the platform through which you can get into data science field. So here you can see ordinary school data science courses, join learn, get ads, live bootcamp with placement assistant. And in Google guys, 4.7 rating is there out of 5, so you can check out. And here's some highlights they have mentioned about this bootcamp. So live instructed lead bootcamp, job readiness in 6 months. So duration for this bootcamp is only 6 months guys. This 6 months they will teach you, train you, and after that placed you. Okay, and also project based learning is there, and unlimited job opportunity also there. Okay, because many big and good company also hiring through this platform. Okay, and here's some of the important date they have mentioned. So upcoming quarter is starting from 28th of October this month, so you have time, apply as soon as possible for this opportunity guys. And bootcamp fee will be 99,000 plus GST. And here's some scholarship they have also mentioned, so up to 30,000, and first 100 seat registration 10,000 is also off. Okay, so fee structure we will discuss later in detail. Okay, but before that guys, let me tell you about the required qualification for this opportunity. So any graduate can apply for this opportunity guys. If you're passionate about learning skill and want to start your career in the field of data science, then you can apply for this opportunity. And batches guys, fresher and experienced, both batches can apply for this opportunity. Means below 2023 all batches can apply for this opportunity. 19, 20, 21, 22 and 23 batches can apply for this opportunity, and all branches can try for this opportunity, no issue. And there is no any prerequisite like if you have this language or that language, then only you can apply for this opportunity. So if you don't have the knowledge of any programming language on any skill, then you can also apply for this opportunity because they will teach you from scratch. Okay, so now let me tell you about the what the skills you're gonna learn in this 6 month guys. So you can see the most in demand skill in a single curriculum. So you can see core modules are SQL foundation, SQL advanced, Python foundation, Python advanced, statics, exploratory data analysis, ADA, machine learning, Power BI, PySpark, Git and GitHub's generative AI. So these are the skills you're gonna learn in this bootcamp guys. And also they will offer to you to work on a project, whatever project currently running on industry. So you can see what's a great curriculum without project based learning. Okay, so right now 10 plus data science projects are running on industry. So you can see COVID-19 prediction, credit card approval, health insurance prediction. So just click on right to left and you can check out many projects are running on industry guys. And also in case if you have any doubts and query, so live doubt session is also there guys, and also they will guide you how you can present projects. So here some highlights they have also mentioned. Okay, and also guys they will help you throughout including placement. Okay, so you can see here some additional career services they have mentioned like resume building, mock interview, behavioral skill workshop, online profile building, industry interaction, and unlimited job opportunity because many big and good companies also hiring through this platform. So you can see right now 500 plus companies hiring, and company like Google, Tech Mahindra, Infosys, TCS, Cognizant. So many good and big companies are hiring through this platform, guys. And also right now 430 job opportunity available to our learners. So you can see snapshot. So right now 430 data science job opportunity available to our learner this week. Okay, and medium package will be 7 LPA and highest package will be 26 LPA. And top job role offer through this platform, guys. So you can see data analyst, data engineer, data scientist, machine learning engineer, and Power BI developer. So this all five top job offer through this platform. And also guys, many students are getting placed to this platform. So in case if you have any doubts and query, so you can directly talk with them on LinkedIn, because their LinkedIn profile URL is also there. So before applying, if you have any question, you can directly talk with them. Okay, and also guys, mentors are already working on industry, so they have better knowledge and skill. They will teach you and guide you in better ways. So you can see, meet our mentor and his speakers. And Dr. Mohit Sevak is working as a principal applied AI research at Microsoft, and Sarva is working as a data scientist at IBM. So mentors are already working, guys, so they have better skill and knowledge. They will teach you and guide you in better way. Okay, so although we have discussed every important highlight except fee structure, so let's discuss what fee structure. So you can see your final fee will be 99,000 plus GST, and right now some scholarship is also there up to 30,000, and also first 100 seat registration 10,000 is off. Okay, so your final fee will be around 60,000, and also no cost EMI option is there for 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, and 12 months, and per month only 5,500. Okay, and seat reservation fees only 5,000 plus GST. And this platform is also trusted by many students because here refund policy is also there. So in case if you don't like the courses, so your full fee will be refunded. Okay, so you can see, if you wish to withdraw from the bootcamp within the first 10 days from the start days, your fee will be fully refunded. Okay, an important date, guys, upcoming quarter is starting from 28th of October. So you can apply for this opportunity, and not everyone gonna shortlist for this opportunity, but you can try for this opportunity. And also before applying, don't forget to check FAQ section, because here some general question answer are already done. So you can see how long is the data science courses. So you can see 500 hours of learning across 6 months. Okay, so how you can apply for this opportunity, guys? Just go upside and you can see one registration form is there. So just fill your first name, last name, email ID, your contact numbers, year of graduation. So if you have 223 batches, then select this one. And work experience, so if you are fresher, than none. Okay, and request a call back, and after that they will contact you. So this is how you can apply for this opportunity, guys. So if you face any problem, you can do comments, and you can directly contact us on Instagram. So guys, both apply link and Instagram link given in video description. So check description for more information, guys. And also before submitting the form, make sure that you are rechecking your form so that there will be no mistake. Okay guys.